Welcome to Friends, and join me in my crafting journey.
Fran's got the talent to make it all new. A towel-turned apron meant just for you. Shoo-bop-dee-daddle-ay, skiddly-daddoo.
Welcome to Fran's. It's raining. It's wonderful. It's raining, so I can have a craft day and catch up on some videos. I did a video just recently on canvas bags and what you can do with canvas to incorporate the materials into your creative projects. And one of the things is I did get this beautiful canvas bag from my son, and I wanted to keep it but use it as part of my website materials. So what I did is we took my business card or my crafting card, and I wanted to utilize my AI photo, which just looks like me, and I wanted to produce fabric to incorporate onto the canvas. So what we did was we took the picture from the computer, and I wanted to add some pockets, which we did. And then what I did was I printed it to the size that I wanted for my canvas bag. And as I had mentioned, I wanted to try a new technique of using linen fabric computer paper to put the logo onto. And this is what it looks like. It's actually quite thick. It's sort of a linen fabric on one side, and then it's sort of like a clear whitish fabric on the other. It's quite thick, so I think it would turn out quite well. You put that into your computer, and what you want to do is, I had enlarged my picture that is on the computer, and I wanted to print it out. So I pushed the print button. It came up, and I put this fabric with the light side onto the computer and printed it. And this is what we came up with. Sort of a linen photo of my AI, me. So that is going to be incorporated onto the actual bag. Now, normally if you're using fabrics, you can always sew your piece onto your fabric with a zigzag stitch or even a blanket stitch. Now, I think what I might try and do with this, and I'll have to test it, is to try and do a zigzag edging on it, and then maybe somehow glue it with a fabric glue onto the bag. And now, so that's what it would actually look like. So that's my canvas bag with covering up any, details. For instance, on the other side, what I would do is, because I need something a little bit smaller, I would probably use my logo and put it on like sideways, like so. So again, how you can utilize canvas bags, and also utilizing a new technique using a Staples store fabric, a linen fabric, that you can print off on your computer. So that was a lot of fun. Lots to do. And again, just taking the picture from my card, my friend's business card. So now, let's also talk about aprons. I had mentioned that I wanted to make an apron for the VIEX so I could wear it, utilizing this technique onto the front of the apron, as well as maybe some kind of a logo like the Friends on the pockets. So I came up with an idea that I would use just a light canvas to make it. And I remember that a few years ago I had gone on Facebook and I found a really cute apron that was made out of just a regular tea towel. And what I did was I just went to, I think it was Costco, and they had these really lovely, sturdy tea towel fabrics. And it's quite a large, I think it's about 40 inches or so. It's a nice size. And what I did was I just cut the edges off on the corners so that it would be sort of angled. And then I sewed it. I put a pocket on the front and a pocket, 2 pockets down below, and I made an apron. So this is actually what it turned out to look like. And this is, and then I just made a casing. I sewed a casing and then inserted just a tie. And here's the pocket on the top. Here's the pocket in the middle. And then what you do is you just insert your tie all the way through, tie it around your waist, and you have an apron. So very simple idea. This would be a perfect idea for people that want to go into craft fairs and sort of make aprons that they can sell. I think I picked up a package of 6, and it was maybe, I think, $10 at Costco. And then I just used remnant fabrics I had around the house to make the pockets. Very simple. Now with the pieces that I had from the corner that I cut off, I just made, now this is not a oven mitt or an oven pad because it's not lined with the appropriate fabrics, but it could be used just as a hot plate on a table. And all it was just the corner piece sewed, and all this is just terry towel fabric and terry towel fabric on the back. And I made, for each one, I think I made 4 aprons. Each one I made one of these. And that would be a really nice gift that you could pick up for, like showers or that kind of thing. And something that you could make lots of. It doesn't take much time, not a lot of work. And it would be quite an effective sort of something for people that like to enter into craft fairs and sell their wares. So again, with the one that I had done, when you're initially making it, what you can do is you can put your pattern that you printed off for your logo, sew it on before you actually sew the pocket onto the apron, and that would give you the look that you're looking for. So again, a simple little project, and I have been wanting to try this technique for the longest time, and I was very impressed with how it turned out. So again, crafting stirs up on a rainy day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Hopefully it'll rain for a few more days, and I can get a little bit more done on my website and in my crafting world. Thanks for watching. Bye.